Hello, everybody. So this is my first game that I concepted and built myself. So after I followed the tutorials, did a couple, followed along some of the practice projects and things like that to get used to Unity, I came up with this game here called Air Defender, and I made this game to challenge myself with game development. And I drew inspiration from an old game called Missile Command, and it's an old Atari game. And in that game, you had to defend your little cities from incoming missiles by shooting your missiles at it. So, what I came up with here is a mobile VR game. So, back in the day when we had like the Google Cardboards and we had the VR headsets that you slid your phone into that. So, that's what this was for. So, it's a mobile VR game. And once you was in the game, you looked around, you can control the turret, and it pointed the way you was looking. And when you looked at one of the missiles, or the helicopters, then it automatically fired the turret at those things, and your goal was to destroy them before they destroyed your little house that's in the game. So, like I said, this is the first game that I came up with and built fully through. So the art there, I made that in Adobe Sketch, just drew it up myself and put it in there, the icons and the title art, and made myself the sounds. I got the title background music. I got that from bensounds.com and put that in the game. The turret sounds, I made it myself. I just recorded myself going do 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 do, and I put that in the game to make the turret sounds. And then I uploaded it to the Play Store and had it was up there for a while, but it's down now just because I don't have the source files to update it. But yeah, this was my first game that I came up with, concepted, and just did the whole process of delivering this game and just learning the whole way going through. So let me know what you think. Maybe I should remake this game now that I got more years in the game. Maybe I can make it a lot better and give it a cool concept now. So let me know your thoughts and things like that, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.